Hello, viewers. In this video, I will show you how to play PES with keyboard and controller. Let's start. Search. You will find PES setting icon. If you don't find PES setting icon here, simply open the folder where you have installed your PES game. Follow me. You will find PES setting icon here. Now click PES setting icon. Now plug in your controller and keyboard. I repeat, please plug in your controller and keyboard. Now follow me. Click controller. Direct input. Now select controller 2. Click device and select your gamepad. Now check everything is okay or not. Simply click controllers every button and check all is okay or not. If you find any wrong activity of controller, simply use your mouse and follow me. Click A by using a mouse. Now press controller A button. Same do for all, or those buttons show you wrong activity. But if you want, you can modify everything. Now click OK. Start PES game. Use keyboard for starting game. If you want to modify your keyboard also, or don't know how to modify keyboard key for PES game, please check description. Here user 1 is keyboard user and user 2 is gamepad user. So for starting game, use keyboard because game is controlled by user 1 before start. Now click OK from both keyboard and gamepad. Now enjoy game with your friend. If this video helped you, please do like, comment, share and subscribe. For more information and any problem solution related PES, please check description.